So this is a onesie that I bought for Becky. It's from Nature Baby, and they're an organic company. I wanted to buy her something nice for winter, and it's definitely going to fit her at 1 year. I bought the 1 year size. So then I saw another company was having a sale. So I bought her this onesie, and it's from Oliver and Rain, and it's a 12-month size. And I wanted to show you guys the difference, the huge difference in sizes. Let me get that lined up. So that would curl up like this. Look at that. That's the huge difference in sizes. Becky is 5.5 months. This fits her right now at 5.5 months. You're making lots of noise. Yeah, you're good at it? This one will fit her more towards a year. So, if you ever buy from Oliver and Rain, I would size up 6 months. Cloth diapers do play a part in this. Like, she's wearing cloth diapers, so usually she wears one size up. So right now, she's wearing around 9-month clothes as a 6-month-old. She's 5.5 months. Because the cloth diapers create a lot of bulk. And from this company, she's wearing the 12-month size as a 6-month-old. And this company, Nature Baby, are sized more correctly. So I think I'll buy from them from now on. Someone's loud. You having fun? I bought this other onesie from Oliver and Rain. It has little raindrops on it, and it's the same size, the 12-month size. See? 12 months. And it fits her right now with the cloth diaper. Fits her perfectly. Which I was buying these for winter. But that's okay. You can wear them now. Hi.
Hi.
We also got these swaddles from Oliver and Rain. See, it's the same print. And they're organic. I like it. These organic companies were all having like this $10 splash sale thing, and I thought it was really good to get Becky some nice things. Did you get nice things? Do you like Becky's blinky?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Not like that slide for some reason.
No, he loves it. He likes to go up and down, 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 up and down.
But you want to go see some fish? How about if we go on the tunnel slide again?
Can you take Pikachu down the tunnel slide? Pikachu hasn't even been down the slide yet. We're home now. And I'm eating a hot dog with some sauerkraut and pizza ranch on it. It's yummy.
It's not a tractor, it's a Honda. The levers. I'll hold your picture.
Are you making the cute noise? Do the noise again. Sorry, Daddy.
Why don't you hold it?
I feel like she's being unreasonable.
That's good. So then we're gonna
Any ideas?
You ready to go?
Your phone's not working.
So that was our day. We had lots of fun. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.